Demerits of Mendeleev.
The whole number atomic mass of the element cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding the sequence in Mendeleev periodic table. As isotopes were discovered long time after the Mendeleev periodic table. As isotopes have the same chemical property but different atomic masses. The challenge is posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. The position of hydrogen shows the similarity with the Halogens group 7 and also shows the similarity with the alkali metal group 1.
Kepler's 3 law.
The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. The line joining the planets and the sun sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of mean distance of a planet from the sun.
Difference between mass and weight.
Mass is the amount of matter which are present in an object. Weight is the force with which Earth attracts it towards. The SI unit of mass is kg or gram. The SI unit of weight is Newton or Dial. Mass is a scalar quantity. And weight is a vector quantity.
What is meant by free fall?
Whenever an object moves under the influence of a force of gravity alone, then it is said to be a falling freely. During free fall, initial velocity is 0. The force acting on an object is only gravitational force. The free fall can be observed only in vacuum.
Newland's octave. Newland's law of octave.
Newlands arrange all these 56 elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses, but every 8th element shows the similar property to the first.
Limitation of Newland.
Mainly limitations were found in Newland's law of octave. This law was applicable only after the condition new discovered element did not fit in Newland's law of octaves.
Mendeleev periodic law.
The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses.
Merits of Mendeleev.
The previously determined atomic mass of the element beryllium 14 was 14.09 was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before the boron. Mendeleev kept some vacant places in periodic table for element not discovered. Till then, 3 of these unknown elements given the name as Ika boron, Ika element, Ika silicon from the known neighbors, and their atomic numbers and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68, 72 respectively. Not only this, but their properties were also predicted. Later, these elements were discovered with the names as scandium, gallium, germanium respectively.
Demerits of Mendeleev.
The whole number atomic mass of the elements cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. The isotopes are the isotopes were discovered long time after the Mendeleev fourth periodic table. As isotopes have a similar chemical property but different atomic masses, the challenge is posed and placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table.
Structure of modern periodic table.
The modern periodic table contains 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. The 7 horizontal rows is called as period and 18 vertical columns is called as group. The arrangement of the group and period is the result of the formation of the boxes. The atomic number serially indicated in the upper side of these boxes. The two rows separately shown in the bottom of modern periodic table. This is called as lanthanide and actinide series respectively. The entire periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, F block. S block contain non-metals, P block contain metal, non-metal, metalloid, and D block contain non-metal, and F block contain non-metal.
What is meant by valency?
The combined capacity of the element is called as valency.
Define atomic size.
Atomic size is the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell.
The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metal is
1.
Alkaline earth metals of valency 2. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is in
Group 2.
Molecular formula of chloride of element X is HCl. So this compound is solid having melting point is high. Which of the following elements be present in the same group as X?
NaCl. Sodium chloride.
In which block of the modern periodic table are non-metal found?
A P block.
An element has its electronic configuration as 2A2. To stop. Now answer the following question. What is the atomic number of these elements?
Magnesium 12.
What is the group of this element?
Group second.
Group second. To which period does this element belong?
Period third.
With which of the following elements would this element resemble? Atomic numbers are given here. Nitrogen 7, beryllium 4, argon 18, chlorine 17.
काय ते प्रश्न?
With which of the following elements would this element resemble? Question mark. Nitrogen, beryllium, argon, chlorine. Beryllium. The most reactive non-metal.
Most reactive non-metal fluorine.
The atom having smallest atomic mass.
Atomic mass hydrogen.
The most electronegative atom.
Fluorine.
The noble gas with the smallest atomic radius.
Helium.
Atomic radius goes on decreasing while going from left to right in period.
Atomic radius is the difference between the nucleus and the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell while going the left to right in a period. Atomic radius decreases and atomic number increases one by one. That means the positive charge on the nucleus increases by 1 unit at a time. However, the additional electron get added at the same outermost shell, and because of this, this electron experience greater pull from the nucleus, and therefore to a great extent, this electron experience greater pull from a nucleus to a great extent. Therefore, atomic size decreases while going left to right in a period.
Metallic character goes on decreasing while going from left to right in a period.
Metallic character is tendency of an element to donate electron while going left to right in a period. Atomic size decreases. That means the electron in the outermost shell increases. It is difficult to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an element. And therefore, the metallic character goes on decreasing while going left to right in a period.
Atomic radius goes on increasing down a group. Give reason.
Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell. While going down a group, new shell is added. Therefore, the atomic radius goes on increasing while going down a group.
The third period contain only 8 elements, even though the electron capacity of the third cell is 18.
The third period contain only 8 elements because the law of octet. It is
Two elements having valency 4.
carbon and
Two elements having valency 4.
carbon and silicon.
The family of metals having valency 1.
Alkali metals.
What is meant by combination reaction?
Combination reaction. Chapter.
Right hand thumb rule.
The thumb shows that the direction of electric current, and curve finger shows the direction of magnetic field.
What is meant by electric motor?
A device which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is called as electric motor.
Construction.
The electric motor contain armature coil, strong magnets, split ring, carbon brushes, and battery.
Working.
When the electric current is passing the coil, it moves in the direction D to C, C to B, and B to A as per the Fleming's left hand rule. And after a half rotation of a axle, then current flows in the direction A to B, C to D.
Tungsten metal is used to make a solenoid type of coil in an electric bulb. Give reason.
Because the tungsten metal has high melting point, it can melt up to the 2400 degrees Celsius. 2400 degrees Celsius. It has high resistance and it has tendency to heat after the current is passing through it.
Latent heat of fusion.
The amount of heat energy observed The amount of heat energy observed at a constant temperature. The amount of heat energy observed at a constant temperature at which latent heat of fusion.
Latent heat of fusion.
The amount of heat energy observed at a constant temperature by unit mass of solid to convert into liquid state is called as latent heat of fusion.
Latent heat of vaporization.
The amount of heat energy observed at a constant temperature by unit mass of liquid to convert into gaseous state is called as the latent heat of fusion.
What is meant by regulation?
Regulation: the phenomenon in which ice convert into liquid due to applied pressure and then reconverts into ice when pressure is removed.
Anomalous behavior of water.
If we heat water at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, between the temperature 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, the water is contact instead of expand. The behavior of water between 0 to 4 degrees Celsius is called as anomalous behavior of water.
What is meant by refraction? Refraction of light.
Refraction of light. The light changes direction when going from one transparent medium to the another transparent medium is called as refraction of light.
Dispersion.
The process of separation of light into its components color while passing through a medium is called as dispersion of light.